you guys.
We're here at Fox Sports Cards in beautiful downtown Marion, Illinois.
Woohoo!
And we're opening up a box of 2010, 2011 The Cup.
The Cup.
The Cup. And we wish you luck.
I thank you.
Oh, we're
I don't
also
know how
opening
that
this
was.
for Blog TV, by the way. So if you see us,
There's the
showing
little
cards
blog
today.
TV camera there.
What are we looking for in this box?
Oh, same as always.
Something good. Like the last box was pretty solid.
Yeah, we just opened a Dominion, and it was very solid. Yeah, a dual autograph,
Some good patches.
Patches, Crosby,
Savard.
Can't go wrong.
Let's see what we get out of this.
Another sealed well product.
Yeah, that's going to be well protected.
This is a 10, right?
Yes.
As I destroy the box getting it out.
That's all right.
Yeah, it's just a box.
I think this one's extra special.
It is.
They made it read.
Yeah, man, so you can't even get in it.
That's how special it is. Those cards are that valuable. Sweet.
Isn't it cute?
That is sweet.
And another box.
It's like Russian nesting eggs.
And the box inside the box. What will be inside this one?
I think I
Another
took her
box.
to prom.
These are actually in a pack inside, aren't they?
I don't know. I thought they were
It may be.
kind of like the last ones, in like a
I
little
think you actually
cutout.
may have cards now. I don't know.
I thought it was.
Do we actually get to the cards?
Yes,
We did.
Alright.
Yay!
It looks like it's pretty full.
Uh-huh.
I think that's the way to go.
This is not easy to do. We'll do this.
All right,
Alrighty.
Alright.
and we are off and running.
First one is a base card.
A little Datsuk.
Oh, that's Ook.
Nice.
This one would be a Kyle Clifford. Pretty sweet patch with autograph.
Very
Rookie
nice
auto.
patch, yeah. Solid patch.
Next one would be an auto patch with Eric Stahl.
Ooh. I'm looking ahead. I'm
I
sorry.
know, so am I. It's really
Quit
It's
it.
hard not
You
to,
guys
isn't it?
quit peeking.
well, it's like Christmas.
I know.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, next one would be the yellow plate off of the stamping press, autoed from a rookie.
Oh, nice.
It is a 1 of 1 as well, obviously. So,
That is cool.
yeah. Jeff Skinner rookie. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We have a surprise.
A redemption.
We have a redemption. 2011 autograph rookies patch, numbered to 249, Nick Leddy.
So is that pretty good?
That's pretty good. That's a solid box.
Which out of the two, the Cup or the Dominion, did you prefer?
I don't know. I got a pretty sick Dominion box. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to go
That-
Dominion.
That
on
was a
one.
loaded Dominion box, really.
Yep.
That's pretty sassy. Well, all of us that collect hockey out there are thankful that you did both. And that's very nice of you. Thanks, Upper Deck and Panini. Here's the results. And there is the Sidney Crosby patch. Some of these guys I can't read the name. The TJ Oshie, Matt Molson,
Savard, Dennis Savard, right?
mm-hmm,
Patch.
retired.
Very nice.
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
With the Brodeur jersey.
Brandon McMillan, Stamkos, John Tavares, dual auto. Joe Thornton auto. And now, out of the Cup, we pulled a Pavel Datsuk,
Datsuk.
Kyle Clifford from the Kings, nice patch and auto. Rookie of Jeff Skinner, 5 of 25. Eric Stahl auto patch. Andres Lindback, 1 of 1 printing plate auto. And Nick Leddy redemption.